Create your own error message in data validation. We have one validation already in place in this column C, sold quantity. Sold quantity should not be allowed if unit price is missing. So let's try 10. This value doesn't match the data validation. But what kind of validation? So we can create our own message which will give us the clear information of the error. Select the cell, go to data tools, then data validation, error alert. In the error alert, first give the title, unit price error. Please maintain unit price in order to enter sold quantity. Okay, drag this to last cell. Now enter the quantity here. You can see unit price error. Please maintain unit price in order to enter sold quantity. Cancel. We maintain the unit price first and then we enter the quantity.